a new toy. It's Paw Patrol toy. Chase. Skye. Zuma. Rocky. Rubble. And Marshall. With two different colors.
Wow, that's so cool.
Green. Orange.
Oh, green, orange,
Pink.
pink,
Blue.
blue,
And red.
and red. Did you do yellow already?
Rubble.
Rubble is yellow. Did you do that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Rubble is yellow.
Wow, that's so cool.
Now,
And what are you?
Chase.
Are you Chase?
Yeah. I'm the color blue.
Oh, you're the color blue. That's right. Do you like Chase the most?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite character?
Yeah.
Are you a policeman?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm the police puppy.
oh, police puppy. Okay.
Where's Seagull?
Let me see your backpack. Turn around.
I cannot see. But why wobble like that? How do this? How can I do that? What's happened? What's happened? Chase is down. The soul is down. The wobble is not down. She's too hard. He's too like wobble too hard to turn.
Hello, Mr. Kai.
Hey, I'm Chase.
Oh, are you not Kai today?
I'm Chase.
Are you Chase?
Hello, Mister. Hello, Miss.
Do you want to know my name?
Hello, Mr. Buddy.
Yes, my name is Buddy. How are you?
I'm Chase.
How are you, Mr. Chase? Are you fine?
Yeah, that's the scissor
Oh,
one.
that's another Chase?
Yeah.
Wow, so many Chase.
And this is the police car.
Oh, wow. You got a lot of new toys today.
I don't have a new police car today. I don't have.
How many toys do you have?
I have 6 toys.
Oh, let's count them.
One is blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, 6 new toys. Which one is your favorite?
Chase.
Chase is your favorite?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. What does he like to say?
He likes to sit on the case.
Chase is on the cake. Chase, and then this is Marshall. What does he like to say?
Hey, that's my favorite.
What does he like to say?
He likes to say fire it up.
Fire it up. I'm all fired up. Haha.
I'm off.
And then what is his name?
Rubble.
Rubble. What does he like to say?
Rubble on the devil.
Rubble on the duck.
And
What is the name of this one?
Skye.
Skye. What does she like to say?
This is Rocky.
The sky is the limit. I am Skye and I like to fly. Rocky says, don't lose it, reuse it.
What?
Woof.
That says up.
He likes to recycle things.
Where's the trash go?
Zuma. Zuma, he likes to go in the wave and waddle the wave. Bun Bun, this is his boathouse. Wow, they are all lined up. Are they going to rescue somebody?
Peppa Pig.
Are they going to rescue Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Okay. So, everybody, all the Paw Patrol, get ready. We're going to rescue people. And we are going to race over there to rescue people.
Hey, wait!
Let's race. Ready?
Let's go.
Steady.
Where?
And
Go.
go! Everybody go, 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 go. Let's jump down. Whee! Let me look around. Hey guys, where's everybody? Who needs my help? I'm coming to save you because I'm Chase on the case.
No!
Woof.
What?
Whoa, the fire truck! You're so fast! What can the fire truck do?
The fire truck and put out the fire.
Wow, look! You gonna put out fire, Mr. Marshall?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put out the fire. Let's go find the people so we can help them.
Look, somebody got sick. Look. Look. And that one too.
And dig, yeah, use the digger. Dig. Okay, now the street is all fixed. Let's go and find people to help.
Okay.
Go. Boom, 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 boom.
Where's the blue sun go?
Okay. Oh, look, next vehicle is coming. Oh no, Rocky just fell off. Come on, Rocky.
There.
There you go. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom.
No! No, I'm faster.
Wow, what can this one do?
No, what did this one do?
Whoa, look at that.
No, I'm
Up
faster.
and down, up and down. Oh no, Zuma, come here, Zuma. Are you ahead of me already?
Yeah.
We are in a race. Don't go too fast. Wait for me.
Okay.
Whoa, I can close the bag and I can open it. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I need to go in there.
Are you coming in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on in now. Close it.
Hey, look at muscle head down there.
There. Okay. Just sleep in there and you can ride in my dump truck.
Hey,
Recycle truck.
no way. Look at Zuma. She's so at the head. There. Excellent.
All right. Are you ready to sing?
Yeah.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. See you on the double.
I like to sing.
Paw Patrol.
I like to sing.
See you
Paw
on the
Patrol,
double.
Paw Patrol, sing.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. See you on the double. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. See you on the double. No.
Look now. See, look at the wheels. Mama, Mama. No, Mama. Mama. Someone going back up Rocky's trunk. See? They're not going anywhere. Hey, Mom. Mama! Someone going in the trunk of Rocky's. What? Zuma! He's in the trunk. Hello? No, I don't want to drive you. This way, look. The recycle truck puts Zuma quite away. See? Go come there. Rocky's still cooling. See, he's still driving. Let's run over. What? Is that the same? See? It's the same. No. My brother, do. That was truck. And Skye. Which one? Let's keep this. Let's say 40. But right.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom.
First go.
Oh, Skye is flying. Skye is flying up in the sky.
I'm here.
And she's here now.
It's over here. Let's see here. And muscle here. All the pups here.
Let's go save Rocky.
That's not cool here. Bye bye guys. See you next time.